Alright YouTube, AJ Shaver. Just one last video before the night is come to an end. This is the perfect setup for one, going mobile, two, just moving around the wood yard. I mean, we have the Bobcat UV34XL hooked up to the Halverson HWP-100tr-H, H for Honda. And we're going to run this over to Woodruff Woods and let Darrin play with it and shoot some of his videos with it. It's such a neat little processor. WD-30 was up here playing with it too. And just take it over there, let Darrin, buck up some of his pieces. This is the perfect splitter for anything like 14-inch diameter and smaller, and it will cut it to 16 inches in length with a hydraulically adjustable 4-way splitting wedge on it. So we're going to run this over to Darrin's and show what we got going on over at his place. The truck was hooked up to the gooseneck, so side by side does 50. Here we'll go over to Darrin's using. Wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it could have been. The 100's never been towed by me before, so I'd rather pull it with the UTV where I could hear it if it was bouncing and bobbling versus the big crew cab 3500 Chevy. So it is what it is. We'll come back over here tomorrow when it's actually daylight outside, and we'll see what Darrin can put through this little HWP-100tr-H from Halverson. Thanks for watching.